deck gate. Let's do it. This is how we're gonna do it. I'm going to semi-copy this one that they already have. I say semi because as you see the siding of the hum right here, a lot of times you can put a 2x4 right here and screw it in. Well, I'm not gonna do that this time. Let's go ahead and get our 2x4s and we'll cut the framing. It measures 24, so I'm gonna cut it 23. It's gonna leave half an inch between here and the 2x4 and here and the 2x4. I just got a splinter. I don't know which way to pull it out. This way? It looks like it stabbed me in going this way, and I feel like I should just go ahead and pull it out that way. Dang, why does this happen? Ah. So this video is now turned into a how to remove splinters out of your hand video. I mean, this thing is in there pretty good. And if I look at it, it definitely came in this way. So it almost went all the way through. I kind of wish it did, but I think what I'm gonna do, this is a thick piece of skin, and shoot, I got another one right there. Dang, bro. What did I done? See, I can't like move it. It's starting to hurt. This would be a good thumbnail picture, but I think step one is to just give yourself permission to lay down on the job. Yeah. I don't have any tweezers. I don't have any sterile knife blades. They're all smeared in oil because knife blades come lubricated. I think my best bet is just to pull it on out. So let's do that right now. No, sir. All right, I had a phone call and I started picking at it and got it broken off. This is what my grandfather and my ancestry would just give this piece of advice where they just say, man up, man up. I'm fixing to get it out right now. God. It's out. Back to work. All right, now I'm back home. Neighbor's doing some weed whacking, but well, in light of getting a massive splinter in my finger, I decided not to do a how to build a deck gate thing. So, but I wanted to make a comment about what it means to be a man. So, because I said, just be a man, get it out. Being a man inhibits a lot of different character traits. And one trait that I believe is very valuable for us men is courage. And one thing about courage is having courage to me is having the strength in the face of pain or adversity. And that is one character trait that I believe involves being a man. So pulling a massive splinter out of your pinky is painful. So to be a man means to buck up, have courage, find the strength, the fortitude in the face of pain and adversity, and deal with it. Not just deal with it, it's painful, it hurts. Don't just like shove that aside. But even in the pain, you can find strength. So that's it. That's today's video. I'll see you guys next time.